Okay, hello and welcome to this video. In this video I want to show you how you can add start menu items to the Linux Mint start menu. It should also work with other Linux distributions like Ubuntu or Debian. Okay, what I'm talking about are these entries here you can find in the start menu. And I have an application here in tools called SmartGit, which is only available as zip file. And in order to start it, I have to navigate to this folder here and run this shell script here in order to start the application, which is a little bit cumbersome. So I want to add this to the start menu. Okay, where are the applications defined which show up in the start menu? Well, we can navigate to this folder here, user share applications, and here you can find all the different shortcuts and applications which are available in the start menu. For example, we have FileZilla here, and basically these files here are only text files. So if you open that with a text editor here, you can see that's an ini file which contains information about the application. For example, the name, a generic name which also can be translated in different languages, the execution, which file is executed, an icon, and also the categories here. Okay, let's create our shortcut here for our program. I've made a template. You can download it here or copy it here from our blog post. So it's a basic example here which can be used for your own program. Okay, let's do that. So the first thing we need to do is, well, enter a name and a generic name. In our case, it's just the program name, SmartGit. We need to define the path or the program which should be executed. In our case here, it's home da tools smartgit bin smartgit.sh, which is basically this command here I ran manually at the time. Terminal is set to false. If you set it to true, a terminal will open and the program will be run from there. In our case, false is fine. And we can also define an icon here. And this program is nice enough to provide us with some files here. So I will just use one of these image files here as icon. The type is application, and we can also define categories here, and categories mean under which category this program will show up here. Okay, we need to create our shortcut here, and we need admin rights for that. So I open up a terminal here, and I will now create this file here, smartgit.desktop. In this folder here, I use the vim command here, the vim editor. So sudo vim user share applications smartgit.desktop. I hit enter here. I have to enter my root password. And all I need to do is now here to copy and paste my entry here and save it, right, and quit. And that's it. Now if I look here to SmartGit should appear, here it is. And if I open the start menu and if I type in SmartGit, the program will now appear here in the start menu. And if I start it or run it, then the program will be started. And basically that's it.